Welcome to the small town of Besigheim. From the bridge over the river, visitors are welcomed by a particularly impressive view of the town's reflection on the water. A harmonious succession of the triangular-shaped roofs of the houses lined along the river. The historical town center is graced with narrow cobblestone alleyways, century-old fountains, and colorful half-timbered buildings. There are also towers and churches that bear witness to its medieval history. So if you are in Germany and are not sure if Besigheim should be included in your next itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Besigheim. Besigheim offers a peaceful day trip that keeps you away from the stress of the city life. Just 30 minutes away from Stuttgart by train, Besigheim is one of Baden-Württemberg's hidden gem. It's a perfectly preserved medieval old town nestled between the Neckar and Enns rivers. The place is a postcard-worthy destination known for its half-timbered houses, hillside vineyards, and quiet charm. You can stroll leisurely through the old streets with their numerous beautiful half-timbered houses and many owner-operated shops, great restaurants and cafes where you can quickly find a place to sit down, dine, have a cup of coffee or ice cream and enjoy the moment. Visiting the place is about positive perspective and gratitude. By simply enjoying the old town with its rich architectural and cultural history, walking without purpose and discovering small surprises. Just like a red British-style phone booth turned into a book exchange, be amazed by the breathtaking panoramic view of the townscape from one of the vantage points. Get lost in its winding alleys, looking at the beautiful half-timbered houses, and encounter the city church built in 1383 with its church's jewel, the 13-meter-high linden wood altar created around 1520 by Christoph von Urach. One should not miss the beautiful riverside of Besigheim too. One can sit on the benches. Here, you can relax after a stroll through the alleys, and if you are lucky enough, you will have the chance to watch the pretty swans on the water. Finally, a walk through the new footbridge over the river Enns will lead you to the Enns historical wheel mill. With its size, amazes everyone who sees it up close. As you travel and reach many places, always remember that there are some places like Besigheim which are meant to be walked slowly and seen quietly. I hope that you are enchanted by the highlights of the old town in this travel video, with its colorful half-timbered houses, the impressive defense towers, and charming squares in the narrow alleys, everything that makes Besigheim so special. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!